कभी सोचा है कि हमारे मोबाइल फोन्स की रेडिएशंस बर्ड्स के लिए कितनी खतरनाक होती हैं? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Deepali Verma from Delhi Public School, Sitapur. Today I am going to tell you some amazing facts and lessons from the movie Robo 2.0. As you have seen the small clip of the movie Robo 2.0, that was very heartbreaking for us also and for nature too. So all I want to tell you that in this movie, apart from entertaining, this movie gives us so many lessons and facts for entire life. So I am going to tell you the main lesson of this movie. So the lesson is that every creature on this planet is important. As you have seen the dialogue expressed by Akshay Kumar as Pakshi Raza in the movie that in case if you are hungry, will you cut and eat your own hand?
भूख लगेगी तो क्या आदमी अपना हाथ काट के खा लेगा? पक्षियों के नाच से होने वाली प्रगति ऐसी ही कुछ है। अगर 30 ग्राम की चिड़िया हम पे विश्वास करके जी नहीं सकती तो ये कैसी प्रगति, कैसी टेक्नोलॉजी है ये?
There is so much meaning associated with this dialogue. This movie focuses on extinction of birds due to radiation. Just pause for a moment and think for this creature, for birds, for animals, that how badly they are facing a lot of problems due to mobile phone radiation, tower radiation. Do you know some facts related to harmful radiation towards birds? Let me tell you. Fact number 1. Due to the radiation of mobile phones, electronic gadgets, the eggshell of birds is getting thin, and due to that, the chick, means the baby which is meant to be born in this world, get died inside the eggshell only. The fact number 2, which is told in movie also by Pakshi Raza, that due to radiation of the mobile phone towers, the bird forget their path to their nests and died in between only. It's true that we can't stop this extinction. Because sometimes the things go out of our control. कभी कभी चीज़ें बहुत ही ज़्यादा out of control हो जाती हैं. But ये तो नहीं है कि हम इनको नहीं रोक सकते. We can think कि हम कैसे environment को protect करें. The answer itself lies in the movie. Listen these words by Pakshi Raza. If you can feed a dog or a cat, then go on and do it. And if you can plant a tree in your society, then go on and do it. The one thing I want to tell you that no animal or species will harm you until or unless you harm them. So if an ant bites you, then don't forget to kill it. Because every creature on this planet has its own place. You will harm them now, but later on you will face the consequence. Last but not least, I want to say that keep water for the birds during summers. That will make you happy and environment too happy. So what you can do for the nature is just go ahead and do it. Thank you to all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy.